I use saladas for this. I like that they're salty and I feel like they're a little bit healthier because they're whole grain, even though this is like just full of sugar. So we're just gonna break this up. It doesn't have to be in the squares. This really should take you like 15 minutes. Not to cool, but like to cook. We're gonna need a load of brown sugar. Butter! This one's already kind of melted. Oh my god, this is so hard to deal with. Okay, we're gonna cook this until it comes to a boil, and then we're gonna leave it to boil for about 3 minutes, and then it will be the perfect temperature. This is where I screwed up yesterday. I used good quality chocolate chips. Instead today I'm using Cadbury, and that's what's gonna happen, and it's gonna work. It's gonna be gorgeous, because this is what I've always done. You also have to keep stirring this, or else it seizes. You want it to bubble like this for 3 minutes. Careful, this is gonna be very hot. We just pour this over the top. You have to be really careful when you take it out. Heat will melt the chocolate. Just start spreading it and it will start to melt even more. Best part. I did separate some M&Ms and these are just going to go on. This is what makes it look extra Christmassy. Has some snow in the form of desiccated coconut. Chocolate and salt heaven. They're gorgeous. So you get like these layers. Mmm.